reach border, I feel something like reunion. That's one, I think, consolation. Consolation. Then, the immediate our task is to look after the refugee. After me, several thousand follow. But then our main task is for preservation of Tibetan culture, and the way to preserve our culture with modern education. So we emphasize the most important of modern education. So within 1 year, we established first Tibetan school in Mussoorie. And then also settlement. From that time, our slogan is hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. So at that time, we talk sometimes hoping, within 1 or 2 years, we may return or find some solution. But now, 50 years already take. Now still don't know how long. But we prepared for that. So we take the project, resettlement project in India. That also not necessarily just northern India, but we, for long term, the more open space. So that eventually we found South India, mainly in Karnataka state. So now look back, last 50 years, I think preservation of cultural heritage, I think will be quite well success. Now today, such a stage, the many Tibetan monks, nuns, and also the ordinary student, you say, go to India and join some of these institutions. So at least several thousand now getting spiritual Buddhist education, Buddhist philosophy, these things, and also modern education like that. So we feel quite proud. Then also modern education field, I think today, the standard of modern education inside Tibet, I think our position is better than inside. So last 50 years, I always say, homeless person, but found new happy home. Indian people, Indian government, and concerned officials, and also I think basically many NGOs, even many government, will help. So with that, Tibetan refugee community become, I think, one of the most successful refugee community. I think you have to judge. Perhaps I think Tibetan, quite good, quite successful.